Sermon number 63. Transience of this world. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Beware. Surely this world is a place from which protection cannot be sought except while one is in it. The action which is performed only for this world cannot secure salvation. People are tested in it through calamities. Those who have taken worldly pleasures here will be taken out from them by death, and will be questioned about them. And whatever good actions they have achieved for the other world, they will get them there and stay in them. For the intelligent, this world is like the shade. One moment it is spread out and extended, but soon it shrinks and contracts.